So at periods during service you may need to refill the milk circuit. So an alarm will come up on the screen here saying that the refill milk and the milk is not available. So this can occur because you've not introduced milk after cleaning, or because milk has been exhausted during a busy service period. So for example, now we'll place a cup and we'll try to serve a drink whilst there is no milk in the canister, just to show you the alarm that comes. So we'll try a white coffee. We can hear the grinder start to run to prepare the espresso side of the drink, and we can hear the fresh milk system trying to pump nothing. So you see there's nothing entering the cup, and we only have espresso being poured into the cup. We discard the drink, and you can see the milk not available alarm has appeared on the screen. So if we touch this screen and then we touch the alarm icon showing us milk not available. So then if we clear this off and push and hold the Brasilia key, we can see that in the operator maintenance mode, maintenance, and then the boiler temperature, and now no milk. So self-explanatory, there is no milk inside the fresh milk system. So to refill milk, first of all we need to open the refrigerated milk container. Take the milk of choice, so in this case we're using semi-skimmed filtered milk. I want to place a small amount of milk in because it's our showroom machine, our demonstration machine, so it's not very often used through the day. Just ensuring that the dip pipe for the milk is below the surface of the liquid so that we get an accurate pickup. We'll lock the fridge back up again, and we'll take a cup, place it on the cup stand, and then we're going to use this key here with the milk refill, the text below it. So we push and hold this, and we can see some numbers appear on the screen, and that's monitoring resistance between two probes at a different point on the circuit. Obviously the resistance is very high when there's no liquid for continuity between these probes, and that's how the machine detects if it is running out of liquid milk from the reservoir through the circuit into the cup. So now you can see that we've purged through a small amount of milk into the cup. Very difficult to see the white milk in the white cup. We can press alarm reset. We hear the group reset. We should be able to press the home key, and we're ready to serve again with the fresh milk circuit primed. So this can be after we've exhausted milk through a service period, heavy or high usage service period, or it can be after we finish cleaning. So in this case it was after cleaning. So now we're going to test by taking a cappuccino. You can hear it grinding the beans to prepare espresso, and you can immediately see that it's drawing through, heating and texturizing milk. So now we've refilled the milk cycle circuit, we're preparing drinks again. So we see we've made ourselves our first small cappuccino from the machine. So this is programmed for a 7-ounce drink.